So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that f dash of x is equal to f of x. F of x is a function which satisfies f dash of x is equal to f of x. So obviously f of x should be equal to e power x, right? And f of 0 is equal to 1 is also getting satisfied. So it can be k times e power x, but because f of 0 is equal to 1, you get exactly e power x. And f of x plus g of x is equal to x square implies g of x is nothing but x square minus e power x. So you're asked to find integration 0 to 1 f of x e power x times x square minus e power x dx. That is equal to integration from 0 to 1 e power x times x square dx minus integration 0 to 1 e power 2x dx. So this is a very straightforward integration, which is e power 2x by 2. So this becomes e power 2x by 2 from 0 to 1, that is, so e square by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is e square minus 1 by 2. E square minus 1 by 2. This is the first. This is a very straightforward integration. Now you're asked to you're required to find this also. X square into e power x. Again, this is a standard integral which can be found by using by parts, right? So I'll take this as u, this as v. I need two by parts to do 2 steps of by parts. So let us find this. So u integral v, that is x square into e power x minus du by dx, 2 times integration of x e power x, 2 times integration of x e power x dx, that is x square e power x minus 2 times x e power x minus e power x, that is x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x, going from 0 to 1. So if it goes from 0 to 1, if you put x is equal to 1, you get e power 1 minus 2e plus 2. E power 1, e power 1 minus 2 into 1 into e minus 2e plus 2e. Minus of, if you put x is equal to 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 2. So minus 2 and plus 2e gets cancelled. So effectively you're getting e minus 2. So this is e minus 2 minus of this. So you get, if you take LCM, 2e minus 4 minus e square plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2e minus e square minus 3 by 2.